Recently, in Marihal Police Station, one case under POSCO Act has been registered on the basis of the complaint of one minor girl. So, accordingly, one case has been taken. Now, it has come to my knowledge that this video, which has been given by the girl and the family, saying that we want to take back the case and we don't want to have any such kind of issues based on language or anything, because we're all Kannadigas, we are all one people, so we want to take back the case. So already I have given instructions to my ACP that you please collect a copy of that video, and then you again take the statement of the victim, and accordingly, according to what has been mentioned in the video and what statement they will give, you ensure that the investigation is done in that way. Already I have changed IO that day itself after allegations first came. So considering the gravity of the situation, I've ensured that ACP should be the IO. So as one of the ACP is the IO.